In this video, I'm going to show you how to create or edit an NK seller under a retailer, or create a quick visit and add that seller to the quick visit. So you can either do it through the customer map or the customer list. For this demo, I'm going to go through the customer list. I'm going to filter on channel partners, so my retailer, and I'm going to search for a retailer. Once I find that retailer, I'm going to pull them up, and I'm going to view their contact list, which is where all of your sellers will be located. So at the very bottom, I'm going to go show contact list. And you can see I've created a couple sellers here. I've created myself, and then I've created an example NK seller. And then the other contacts for this retailer also listed there. Now, if I wanted to create a new seller, I would hit that new button, and I can just enter in some information about that seller. It's a retail contact. Enter in the phone number. You can enter a title if you know it, an email, a real email address, not a dummy one like I'm doing. And then you can enter in the contact segment. So in this case, I'll list this as an NK Invest. And now if it's the same address, that all remains the same. So once I save this into the system, now it's going to update the contact list for that retailer and put it into the list in alphabetical order. So you can see my test seller NK is down there at the bottom, and any of the other sellers are listed on top in the white. That's how you know you can edit it. If I wanted to edit one of those, I open it up, hit edit on the seller. And then if I wanted to, let's say, edit the contact segment, change them from an NK Elite to an NK Team, I can do that, or an email, or a type, or a name, and save that. So that's how you can create and edit your sellers under that retail location. Now, if I go back and I want to now create a quick visit, I'm going to go to my map, and I'm just going to find a grower and open them up and go down to show quick visits there at the bottom. Now, when I open up their quick visits, I can see that they don't have one. I'm going to create a new quick visit. You're going to do all of your normal information that you have to add in, face-to-face. I'm going to set this as a planned visit. And now one of the things that you can do is select an NK channel. So I'm just going to go to that Cold Spring Co-op Creamery that we added those sellers to originally. And now I'm going to see a list of sellers for that retailer based on what either I've entered or what was already existing in Salesforce. So all of those will show up. I can select one, and now that seller is tagged on that quick visit for that grower. And I'll save it. And now that integrates back into Salesforce as a completed visit, or an open visit, depending on what it was in the system. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to me directly.